One thing that I personally think that the European Union countries and the GCC countries can benefit from is an exchange of information. And when I say exchange of information, I think that perhaps the European countries are not aware of how culturally rich the GCC countries are, because they are in fact very rich in culture. Their culture has been around since the beginning of time. And I think that undoubtedly the GCC countries can benefit from the educational institutions in Europe. We are really lacking that here in the GCC. One fashion school is not enough, and we need to have more fashion institutions in the GCC, more guest teachers, more courses, more seminars coming in from abroad. And what will bring our Gulf designers to the next level is education. And I mean proper structural education. You cannot become a designer, you cannot become an architect without going to university, you cannot become a designer without going to school. There are very few people who can do it, but that is not a foundation for an industry, and we want to create a real foundation here to grow. I think that today's conference was so beneficial because from one project, from one grassroots project, will unequivocally sprout another grassroots project. And that is the beauty of our emerging market, is that people, they reach out, they talk to other people, they're curious, and they're very hard workers.